This is the Rofin StarWeld Select CNC all-purpose laser marking and welding workstation. Serial number 1001065/116. Can be run manually, semi-automatic, or in full CNC mode. Has a touchscreen CNC, a joystick control, an OS fourth axis, and CNC programming via a touchscreen, teach-in, or data import. Lamp pumped ND YAG with sweet spot resonator. Currently running at low voltage. Yep, 220. And of course we have a complete set of machine documentation. All right.
So on this side, main power switch, resonator and computer on off with the ability to start the flash lamp for the YAG laser. Data input ports, Ethernet, USB, and then our 232 with the mode switch to allow you to run automatic, joystick jog, or in a setup condition. On the floor is the manual firing pedal and then assist gas foot pedal. We can start out by homing the axes to see them move. Choose manual mode and home. Now that the axes are all zeroed, you can see on the screen, we can move it into a weld position. Got to turn the key switch into setup mode, and then you're able to dial in a position to go to. It's at 30% velocity. We're just in the jog setup mode. You can do this through the CNC as well in an automatic mode. rotate our part towards the lens. I'm going to switch us back into CNC mode so you can run a program. In auto mode, program that was preloaded is in here. This would be step through the program and then full auto cycle. Turn on the servo power and it'll start stepping through. And that's a finished weld. It has multiple settings to control weld power, speed, shot distance. You could also mark, which controls a different pulse.
One more time.
One more time. And then at this point you can open the doors to get your part out. There are handholds that you can, doors that slide open, you can put your hand in, and sensors to tell the system that your hand's there. Then you're allowed to actually fire the laser with your hand holding a part if necessary. Otherwise, there's interior doors that allow you to bypass that feature. Otherwise, the laser won't fire with the doors open.
All right.